In this video, I'll show you how to download any app in Amazon Fire TV Stick, even if it's not available on the official App Store. If you've ever searched for an app and couldn't find it, this method will help you unlock the full potential of your Fire TV Stick in a safe and simple way. First, make sure you're on the Fire TV home screen. From here, go to the Settings menu, scroll to My Fire TV, and open the About section. Select Fire TV and press the OK button on your remote 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Options are enabled. Now go back, open Developer Options, and then open Install Unknown Apps. Next, head back to the home screen and open the search option. Search for an app called Downloader. Once you find it, install it and open it. When prompted, allow all the required permissions so it can download files properly. Now, using Downloader, go directly to the download link of the app you want. This can be an APK file hosted on a trusted site. Once the file starts downloading, wait for it to finish. When the download is complete, the installation screen will pop up automatically. Just select Install, wait a few seconds, and the app will be installed on your Fire TV Stick. After the installation is done, you can choose Open to launch the app right away or Done to go back. If you don't see the app on your home screen, press the Apps button on your remote, scroll down, and you'll find it there. You can also move it to the front so it's easier to access next time. This is the easiest way to download any app on Amazon Fire TV Stick and enjoy apps that aren't normally available in the App Store. One quick tip before you start using sideloaded apps. Some of them may access online content, so it's always a good idea to protect your privacy. I personally recommend using NordVPN on your Fire TV Stick to keep your connection secure and private, especially when installing apps from outside the store. It's easy to set up and run smoothly in the background. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN.